Have you ever wondered about the centralization of Bitcoin mining? How it has shifted from a decentralized system to one that is increasingly centralized? Let's dive in. It all started in 2009, when Bitcoin was introduced to the world. Back then, Bitcoin mining was a decentralized process. Anyone with a computer could mine Bitcoin using their CPU. This was a time when the term mining was synonymous with the democratization of currency creation. As we moved into 2010, the landscape began to change. Graphics processing units, or GPUs, became the tool of choice for Bitcoin miners. This was the first sign of centralization in Bitcoin mining, as not everyone had access to these high-powered GPUs. Fast forward to 2012, and the introduction of application-specific integrated circuits, or ASICs, pushed the centralization of Bitcoin mining even further. These powerful machines, designed specifically for Bitcoin mining, were expensive and out of reach for most. This led to the rise of large mining companies who could afford to fill warehouses with hundreds, if not thousands, of these ASICs. These companies, or mining pools as they are known, began to dominate the Bitcoin mining industry. They were able to mine blocks and collect the Bitcoin block reward more efficiently and in greater quantities than smaller miners. This led to a centralization of power, with mining pools like Antpool and Foundry USA controlling more than half of Bitcoin's network hash rate. The power these mining pools hold is concerning. They have the ability to initiate a 51% attack against the network, effectively taking control of the Bitcoin blockchain. They can also censor transactions by refusing to confirm them. This has already happened, with mining pool F2 Pool censoring transactions from Bitcoin addresses sanctioned by the Office of Foreign Assets Control. To summarize, the evolution of Bitcoin mining has led to an increasing centralization of power. This poses a threat to the decentralized nature of Bitcoin. While mining pools offer benefits, such as economies of scale and increased efficiency, they also pose significant risks. From the early days of CPU mining through the GPU era to the rise of ASICs and large mining pools, the landscape of Bitcoin mining has changed dramatically. It's important to understand these changes and their implications for the future of Bitcoin. As the power of mining pools continue to grow, so too does the threat they pose to the decentralized nature of Bitcoin.